Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Sain. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the variation in your WooCommerce product store. And it's totally free plugin we're going to use. And let's get started. If you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. So whenever I'm going to upload a new video, you're going to get the notification. So get started, and I'm sharing my screen. And this tool you can use for the various purpose, like you want to add in your product so people can select the product color or the size. So really you're going to like that. You can add your e-commerce website this function. So let's get it started. Here we go. So here you can see my screen, and this is the simple product. You can say it's a cinema gift card, and we want to make this product as the variation product, such as we want to add here a function where people can select the color, size, or the color. So in this product we're going to add the color option, so people can select the color whatever the card color they want. So you can add in your e-commerce store whatever the purpose can be. Suppose you are selling the shoes and you want to add a function to so people can select the shoe size or the color. So in this we're going to add the color function, and you can add many as much as you want, the size, the color, and other stuff as well. So for this we have to go to the our WordPress dashboard, and we have to go to into the plugins, and here add a new plugin, and we are installing the variation plugin. Here we have to write a variation. Suppose we are writing that variation here. So we're going to see the result is the variation switches for the WooCommerce by cart flows, or we can select the variation switches for the WooCommerce. So whatever the plugin you can install, but I'm going to with this variation switches for WooCommerce by Imran. So click on install now, and click on activate. Okay, so once the plugin is installed, and we have to add the filter for the color. So for that we have to go into the WooCommerce, and not in the WooCommerce, but underneath WooCommerce you will see the option products, and here underneath you will see the attributes. So click there, and here we're going to add the attribute for the our variation. So suppose I want to say I want to add the color for my product. So I will write here the color, and then if I will scroll down here, and here it is the option for to the color or the image or the button. So I'm going to select the option the color, and then I click on add attribute. Okay, so once it is added, then we're going to click on the configure the terms, where we're going to add the actual the colors we're going to provide in our product. So click on the configure terms, and here we're going to select, here we're going to give the color, suppose color name. So we say it's the black, and we can select here the color, and we say suppose it is the black, and click on add a new color, and then we have added the black color. And if we want to add the more colors, suppose I want to add the white color as well, and I select that and I click on add a new color, and okay, so white is already added, and maybe we want to add the red as well. So I says red, and then scroll down and I select the color, it's red, and then I click on add a new. Okay, so we added the attribute, it is the color, and inside the attribute we have configured the terms for the other colors. And next If you want, we can add here the size. Suppose I want to add the size here, the size, and then I'm going to select this for the only select, and I'm click on add, and it's adding. Okay, it's taking time. So suppose we go back again to our the product and click refresh that. Okay, there can be the internet issue. Okay, so we are back here. You can see yet there we cannot see that function. So for that, again we have to go back to our dashboard. Okay, so here I have added already the attribute for the size, and under the size we can configure the more terms like the small, the medium, the extra large. Okay, but for now I'm not adding the size, but I'm adding only the color. And then we have to go to the all the products. If you want, you can add a new product, or I'm just adding this for the existing product already that I have this one. Okay, so I am going to click on the all products, and I will click on to here cinema gift and click on edit. As you can see, this is now a simple product, so it means it has no attributes, no other values. So like the terms, like the small or the medium or the color, so it is already selected a small simple product in the product data. So we're going to make it the variable product because it has some attributes, and then click on got it, it says, and then we click on the attributes, and then now we have to select the attributes here. So suppose I'm only adding the color, but if you want to add, you can add other terms like the size as well, but I go with only the color. And then here you can add the values, which we have added the black, white, and the red. So you can also select one by one, but if you want, you can just click on select all. Okay, so we have added the black, red, and the white, and click on, and don't forget to make them tick mark this one, visible on product page and used for variation. Then click on the save attributes, and then again you have to go to the variations here, and then you have to click on generate variations and click on OK. So now it is going to generate the different values for us. Here we go, the black, the red, and the white. And under this we can also make the different price for the black color if you want, and in the red as well if you want to make the different color, regular price for the red color, and then for the white as well. But if you want to make this color price simple, we go back and see version, and we says add the price here on the top. So we say that it will be for whatever the price it has. Suppose it has the 5, and then I add this here. Let's go. Here we go. We're going to select that price. Okay, but for now I'm not adding the product, but I'm going to add the price for add a price here, and I click that here, and then I says 5, like that, and click on add a price. So now it will be added into the all variations as well. So you can see here, so we don't need to add by one, and then once done, and click on update. Okay, so once it is updated, so now we can click on view product, and then here we go. Now you can see the color, so people can select the color, the white, the black, the red, and the white. Okay, another thing also you can do when you're going to select the red color, and here you will see the red color image product, and if you're going to click on the white, you will see the white color image. So this is so simple to do. You have to add the in the variation, you have to add the different images for each variation. If it is the black, you have to click here to upload the image. So whenever you're going to click on the black, you will see the black image. That's it. It's quite simple and going to make your website more beautiful and attractive. And bye bye for now, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, so whenever I'm going to upload a new video, you're going to get notification. Thank you. Bye bye.